Hi, my name's Tom. This is the Roruite JC10 10-point charging base. This thing has completely changed the way my entire household charges and uses their devices. So here it is. It's actually plugged in and we do use it pretty regularly. It is simply a one simple little box. It is metal. It is very tough. It's durable. It's heavy. It's got some weight to it. It's got some heft to it. This is a good quality built machine and it has one cord in the back. I'll show you. It just has a little two-pronger. You plug it in. The plug itself is actually two prongs as well, not three, so that's nice. And what we do is this. We have this whole living room area, and we have a little record player on the table. We keep this charger right here. And the reason we do that is because when anyone comes in and they have, oh, do you have a charger for your phone? Do you have a charger for my iPad? Do you have a charger for my earbuds? No problem. We keep this thing in, and it works great. All right, just so you know, this thing has 10 ports in the front here. We have 4 USB, regular big USB ports here in the bottom. There's USB-A ports, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's great for traditional stuff. And then we have 6 USB-C ports up here. 2 of those USB-C ports are for laptops, and the other 4 are for anything you want. They are fast charging as well. So we have the 4 and we have 6. We have 10 different ports. And the great thing is that you can actually go ahead and use all 10 ports at once if you really want to. We have not come close to that. We will usually charge 3 or 4 things at one time. Here's how we do it. Let's say I have someone who comes in and says, hey, my iPhone is dead. I need to go ahead and charge it. We say, great. We've got a whole pile of cords over there. We grab the appropriate cord and we plug it in to the charger just like this. There we go. And it is now charging. This iPhone happens to be dead. There we go. It's now charging up. So I say, okay, I'll put it there. That's great. Done. But wait, we have another friend comes in, and the friend says, you know what I got to do? I got to charge my earbuds. They're just not working. Like, no problem whatsoever. We grab another cord out of the box, and we go ahead and we plug it in. Again, this happens to be USB A. We'll plug that back in, and we'll do it like this. Ding, there you go. Now that's charging, and we just put it up here just like this. We like to have it on like a little shelf or like a little table like this, so you can go ahead and leave all your things to sit and charge there. You know what? And then we have a friend who comes in from the year 2003 and says, my iPad 1's not charging. Like, okay, no problem at all. We will go ahead, we'll pull out the appropriate cord. Remember these, and again, we're going to use a USB-A in this case. I don't have a USB-C for this one, and I'm going to plug it into this iPad here. Giant thing. Plug it in. Let's see if I can get that just right. There we go. It's plugged in. I'll give it a moment or two, but it'll go ahead and start charging as well. And sure enough, let's see, do we have a charge yet? It's really, really dead. But you get the idea. That will go ahead and charge. I'll put that up here. I'll stack them like this. And you can go ahead and have all your devices right here. Now, obviously, you can plug in your watch. If you have a watch charger, just plug it in. Those are usually USB-C. Anything you want, again, up to 10 different things. Laptop comes in, no problem. Just plug it in and go. This would be great on a desk or even a nightstand if you have multiple devices that all have to be charged and you're struggling with a bunch of different chargers and cords and everything. Have it all come out of one spot, nice and easy. And remember, this is not just good for phones and tablets. You can use it for, obviously, headphones. You can use it for watches. You can use it for lamps and things you have around on the house. I've got a rechargeable speaker. This thing actually goes ahead and I need to recharge it with a little cord. I plug it up and recharge it every so often. You can go ahead and charge all sorts of things with this one box. The other great thing this is good for is travel. Think about it this way. When you go traveling, you're going to need your iPhone. You're going to need an iPad, maybe you'll need your laptop. Maybe you'll go ahead and wear earbuds. Maybe you'll bring a couple other devices. And you know what you're going to end up with? You're going to end up walking to a hotel room that's got 2 outlets, and you're going to go ahead and need this many chargers. You're going to need chargers and cords and all sorts of stuff, and you're going to be plugging them in, and you're going to be swapping them back and forth, and you're never going to be able to get everything charged up all at one time. No, you don't need any of these. You need this one 10-port charging device. One plug charges 10 items. Go ahead and pop all your cords in there and you're done. It works great for travel. It's compact. It fits in a briefcase. It'll fit in a backpack. Just bring your cords, plug it in, and you're ready to go. So if you're looking for something to charge a lot of devices at one time that is portable, easy to use, and super convenient, look no further than the JC10 charger. It really does work well. I was given this to review. I really like it. It is actually a really good charger. We continue to use it. It was a great device and it's highly recommended.